Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. So ADA dipped into our support region here. We want to talk about that in a little bit more detail. Overall, the ADA overall chart context hasn't changed. I only provided a, let's say, long-term update yesterday, an update about the bigger picture. Today we want to take here a look at the smaller time frame, but if you're interested in the bigger picture, feel free to check out yesterday's video. Still, the movement from the 5th of August low is to the upside. It's extremely choppy. You know, it's very slow. I'm labeling this here as a possible WXY structure, and in the Y wave, then an ABC with ideally one more high coming in wave C of Y. So it could be the white count or the yellow count. They both allow still for a little bit further upside, even though it's a very shaky and corrective foundation. So it's not high confidence, and it's important, I think, to understand that to really confirm that a substantial low has formed on the 5th of August here, I need to see all 5 waves completed as per the yellow scenario. That would be ABC in 1 already done, ABC in 2 already done, ABC in 3 might be unfolding right now, so it could be an ABC in wave 3. So in this scenario, wave A might actually be completed. Important, I think, to recognize that even in this A wave, we might get another high. So I would actually prefer that. But if we get a deeper pullback and we break the upper support, then the yellow B wave support is at 32.5 cents. But then I need those, 3 waves in wave 3 to at least 51.2 cents. And then another 4-5 pattern. So we need 5 waves to 56 cents essentially to suggest that a lasting low has been established. In addition to that, we have the white wave count, which could just form one more high and then break down, because this is considered a B wave rally. So it will be important to, understand that we require, or that the market requires us to be flexible, especially as long as we don't have 5 waves up in place. I've got 2 support regions. The upper one is the one that was to be tested first, and the one that I've been watching for the last few days. A few days ago on our Discord server for our gold members, that was on the 28th of September, I posted that it looks as if we might see a test of the micro support zone for wave 4 on the weekend. That was actually, when was that? Friday? Saturday? I don't know. I've lost complete sense of time and what day it is. But it was a few days ago. And I think it was before the weekend. And that actually happened, that test of support. So this was here, we were just starting that wave 4 pullback. So I tried to give you a heads up there. And I think that was just in time. So we started that wave 4 pullback. It is, to be honest, just a small, shallow pullback. And the 35.8 cent level so far did hold. Actually, if we go to the live chart again, you can see that there has been a reaction to the to the 50% retracement level at 36.8 cents. Now what we want to see is minimally a break above the last swing high, which is located at 40.4 cents as a first indication that we've started the next move up, and that could be wave 5 to the upside to 44.4 cents. So don't get me wrong, with one more high, it doesn't mean it has to be the white count. It could also simply be an extension in yellow wave A. Okay, so it will be, for now, I'm just watching, do we get one more high, or is some kind of a top already in place? And if we break upper support, the lower support area is still there to protect the price, let's say, from breaking down to completely new lows. But I would prefer one more high, to be honest, to 44.4 cents. And then we get to the next larger decision point. But it's possible the top is already in. It's similar to Bitcoin. But in that case, then 32.5 cents is next support. Below that level, I've got 30.4 cents as key level. But below that, I think it's black and white that the yellow count is invalidated. And that's, it's as I said, it's important to be flexible. We don't really get clarity until we get the first proper 5-wave move up, as highlighted in yellow, or maybe a 5-wave move on a smaller time frame, which so far I can't see, because even with this 5th wave up in white, it would be a larger ABC structure. So it takes a little bit more time, and we need patience to get clarity here for the chart to clarify itself. It will do that at some point, but until then we just have to be flexible. We still have parameters to watch and to trade, but I think honestly trading this at the moment is an absolute mess. So I think Bitcoin is providing much more clarity there. So that's the update about ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.